Hello, everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today it was a bit chilly outside, so I decided to make triple berry cobbler. So, guys, let's get started. You know, Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. And for this recipe, you are going to need flour, milk, baking powder, salt, sugar divided, and butter. Today I'm using plant butter, but you can use any unsalted butter of your choice. We are also going to use frozen 3-berry blend. Let's get started. Start by melting the butter in the microwave. While the butter is melting, go ahead in a medium bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, sugar, salt. Create the wall in the middle, pour the milk, and mix well until the flour is moistened. Do not overmix. The batter should have lumps. One thing I can tell you guys, I like my batter for the cobbler to be more like cakey, not like biscuit texture. Once the batter is well incorporated, pour it into the melted butter. Use the spatula to spread it across the baking dish. Next, add frozen berries. You are more than welcome, guys, to use fresh berries. Sprinkle with some sugar and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. There you have it, guys. 3-berry cobbler. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my